Okay, we just finished opening presents, but there's one last big present.
It's for Sarah Grace baby.
Oh, watch out. Peter, what is our one last present?
Ta-da!
Yeah, Sarah Grace is her first bike from Gran. What do you think, Sarah Grace?
Can we put her on and see how she likes it?
Yeah, this is for when we go on our walks because she is getting so big. She doesn't need to be in the stroller all the time.
Mom. Mommy. Can we?
All right, Daddy, you want to put Sarah Grace on her bike and push her around for the video?
No, I can push her around.
Okay.
Can I
Let's
push
see.
her?
Slowly and
Slow
carefully,
down.
okay?
Yeah, see if she likes
She's
it.
holding on. Put your feet up there, Sarah.
Can I do it after
Yes, but just carefully, Peter.
Whoa! Move our little house out of the way. There she goes. Oh, that's gonna be so perfect for our walks.